Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. I'm very excited to make this video because I'm going to unbox Kawaii beauty box. All those beauty products are super adorable. This is the November beauty box and the theme is Kawaii box. This is from nomakenolife.com. This is a Japanese and Korean subscription beauty box. They have beauty box every month in different themes, and each box includes 8 to 9 mystery beauty products. Those beauty products are inspired by game and cute Japanese and Korean characters. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I just can't wait to unbox it. Ta-da! Wow! See how adorable those beauty products are. This is super cute. Let's unbox it one by one. Wow, really cool bag. It's super tiny. The quality is pretty good. What I can put in this makeup bag. It's probably just for tiny eyeshadow and lipsticks and perfume. It's very cute, right? Really cool, so cute. And the next one is the Pikachu hair comb. How cute is that? Pokemon hair foam, and it's pink. Brush is pretty comfortable, it's not too harsh. So this one is a Korean product. So what is this? Maybe it's lipstick or... oh, it's a hand cream. It smells like peach. The scent is very similar. Oh, it's not really peach. I'm not sure what scent it is this. The next one, we all know about this one. Lip cream. This is the Japanese lip cream. It's pink. The smell is strawberry. So is this tinted? No, it's not tinted. So this is like lip balm moisturize your lips. It smells really good. Very nice strawberry. Very cute. And next, what is this? Oh, this one is perfume. So cute. Cat perfume. Wow, that's a very cute container. This one is a Japanese product. So it's not liquid, it's solid. The smell is like a perfume. Oh, that's why it's called perfume bar. This one is from Moly. Oh, I was wrong about it. This one is a Korean beauty product. It's not Japanese, and I can't tell what scent it is. So the scent is not dessert. It's pretty nice flower scent. It kind of feels like a 5-star hotel smell. And you can carry it on the plane because you know that you can only take certain amount of liquid on the plane, and a lot of perfume that's liquid, and this one it's solid. I love it. I will carry it with me. This one is perfect for when you go traveling. You can put it in your pocket. It's not liquid. You can carry it on the plane. And it's so tiny. It's not like most perfume bottle like this big, right? So you just apply it on your neck, on your bone collar, on your wrist, anywhere you like, next to your ear. Yeah, I like it. I really do like it. Super cute. This is my first time to see a perfume bar. And next. What is this? Oh, this is a face mask. So this one is a Japanese face mask. That's so cute. So cute. I will use it tonight. This package, it has 3 packages. It looks so cute. So this one has English. It's allowing the skin to appear dewy at all the time. Silky sheet. This one is to hydrate your skin. So cute. I really love it. I like beauty products. Really love it. Oh, there are more face masks. Whoa, there are so many face masks in it. This is a Korean face mask, and this one is also Korean face mask. So this one is a massage mask sheet pack moisturizing. The mask is pink. So I usually use face mask like 1 or 2 times a week, at least 1 time a week. It's so cute. So this mask is written in Japanese, but it says it's made in Korea. This one should be moisturizing and brighten your skin. So in this box, it's containing 5 face masks. That's a lot, right? And the face mask can cost like $1 or $2 each, right? Wow, this is so cute. So this one is for your lip and your cheek. The texture is cream. So this one is Japanese product. Very cute packaging and this is just so adorable how I open it. It's a lollipop. So cute. Oh, you have to remove the bowl and like that. So the texture is cream. I guess you can just put on your cheeks. I'll just do it on my cheeks. I will do it on both cheeks. This is like a rose pink. Can you tell that? I hope it's not too red. Wow, I really love it. really love it. So cute. Oh, I forgot the book. So this box also contains a book, a description to describe each product. So this book tells you each beauty product. It also tells you the character. So you can read it and you will know what the product it is. Okay, let's move on to the next product. So this one is smoothing gel for your face. So this one is Korean product. Whoa. It's so cute. The container is so cute. Okay, let me open it. So this is the gel. The texture, oh yeah, it is gel. I'll put a little bit on my hand. The gel is clear. This is like a serum. The gel is a little bit thick. It's thicker than aloe gel. It smells good. The scent is very light. It's not too strong. I'm trying to find the description for this gel and I can't find it. Is this one extra stuff? I can't find it. I think this one is the extra product they gave me. Yeah, I can't find it. This is so cute. I really love it. But I'm not sure how good it is. And it smells good. So the texture is a bit sticky. I guess it's for dry skin. It's not for all your skin. Very cute. And what is the next? So the next is what is this? It looks like candy or something. It looks like a ring. I'm curious. Is this a food? It can't be food. What is this? Let me guess what is this. Oh! It's a bath bomb. Is this in here? Oh, so this one is the anime girl bath bomb. It says that this unique anime bath bomb features a cute anime girl design and smells like citrus fruit. Oh, it is. It is like citrus. So this is for your body. I like it. It does look like a candy package. This is the last beauty product. What is this? Oh, this is for your nails. Wow, this box really contains a lot of stuff. It has makeup, skincare, for your nails, and for your body, and for your hair. It includes a lot of beauty product. I don't really do my nails. So this is a Japanese product that's it has a nail stamping palette. This is a palette. The palette has a lot of patterns on it. Flowers, and it has a magic wand, and it's got some bowls and letters and a sword. Yeah, it's very cute. So it's including the stamping tools. So I guess you just put nail polish on it and you stamp and then you put it on your nail. I guess is how you do it. Very cute, very cute. I'm very happy to this Kawaii beauty box. I love all the product. So check out this website. They do have a lot of cute stuff and so cute. I just love those packaging. I already put the link in the description box and check it out. And the winner is... you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.